Understanding I hereby declare, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore. I hereby declare. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in. I hereby declare is a formal phrase often used in official or ceremonial contexts. It's made up of three parts. 1. I, the subject, referring to the person speaking. 2. Hereby, an adverb, meaning, by this action or statement. 3. Declare, a verb, meaning to make a statement or announcement, often in a formal way. When combined, these words form a phrase that is used to emphatically announce or proclaim something. This phrase is commonly found in legal, official, or ceremonial statements. Here are a few examples. In a court, a judge might say, I hereby declare the court in session. During a wedding, an officiant may say, I hereby declare you husband and wife. In legal documents, it might appear as, I hereby declare that the information provided is true. It's important to note that this phrase carries a sense of authority and formality. It's not used in everyday casual conversations. There are similar phrases and variations that you might encounter. For example, I hereby announce, used for less formal declarations. I hereby proclaim, often used in ceremonial contexts. Understanding these variations can help in recognizing the formal tone and intent in different contexts. I hereby declare is a formal, authoritative phrase used to make important announcements or statements, primarily in legal, official, or ceremonial settings. It's a great example of how English can be used in different contexts. We hope this explanation helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.